Hi there, students. To set forth, okay? To set something forth, to set forth something. Okay, I think this phrasal verb can be used in the same way as we use to set out. Or at least with two of the meanings. So, for example, you set out your ideas, you set forth your ideas to explain them, to explain rules, or explain your idea. But this is quite a formal way of doing it. So the rules for admission to this university are set forth in this leaflet. Okay, they're set out in this leaflet. So to set forth, to explain, to state, to describe, to give an account of something. So, I don't know, legally, for example, he broke the terms set forth in paragraph 16 of the contract. Okay, set out, but formally set out. He set forth the basis on which he was going to do the experiment. To present something for consideration, to propose. So he went before the committee and set forth his ideas. In all of these cases, we could use set out. Set forth is more formal. And then you can also use to set forth, again formally, meaning to begin a journey. So he set forth from his home at 7 o'clock. He set out from home. Notice, he set out intransitive. Set out from somewhere. Okay? Set forth intransitive. Set forth from somewhere. Okay? Columbus set forth with 3 ships. Okay? He set forth for America. Well, he didn't know it at that time. Okay, so to set out, to set forth. He set forth his plan so that everybody could see it. I think set forth, particularly to describe something in writing or in speech, to present it, to detail it, to explain it. Okay, so the rules to the game are set out on the back. They're set forth on the back. Okay, I think set out has other meanings as well, but set forth, to give an account of something or to begin a journey. Okay, so to set forth, he set forth his objections to the project. He stated them. He enumerated them one after the other. He effectively gave a presentation of them, showing each different bit. And then the expedition will set forth next month. Okay, it will begin. It will set forth from the port of Bristol. Okay, so he set forth his theory in a magazine. Okay, so to set forth. But notice this, strangely enough, although it's a phrasal verb, is rather formal. I think the formality from it comes from the fact it's rather old-fashioned. I think I would probably give set forth maybe 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I'd use set out. A semi-formal conversation, it still sounds a bit formal and literary, maybe just. Set forth in a semi-formal writing and a formal writing would sound perfect. Okay, so here I have set forth the different ways to use the phrasal verb to set forth. So he set forth, began his journey intransitive. He set forth from his home. He set forth towards London. Okay, that's an indirect object, so it's still intransitive. And then he set forth his ideas. He set them forth. Separable phrasal verb. Okay, and then, so as to origin, well, to set, to put in position, and forth meaning forward. Yeah, forward in time, into view. Okay, and I think that forth then comes from Proto-Germanic, further. Yeah, from Proto-Indo-European, per, meaning forwards or through, I think is the idea. So forth, set forth. So I've set forth the meaning of this. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Set forth, set it forth.